Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, Hi, I am running a campaign targeting the US and Canada. When analyzing the search auction insights, I have a good impression share compared to my competitors. That is very good. The CDR was recorded at 4.72, just an average good CDR. Could be improved, not the best, but not the worst. So it's acceptable. 4.72, yeah, it's okay. And the CPA is quite high at around 8.10. This is a new campaign, and so far we have not received any signups yet. I am using a manual CPC bidding strategy as it worked well in the past months. The new campaign started on May 1st. B2B SaaS solution. So with SaaS products, okay, added negative keywords and optimized the landing page recently. The ad strength is also excellent. The daily spend is $150 per day. Any advice on improving the signups? Okay, so because you have not yet generated signups and you see that you are targeting the US and Canada, so these are the big regions, big regions. So if I were you, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look around on my competitors areas and narrow down top 10 cities, 7 in US and 3 in Canada. Maybe 2 in Canada, CA, and 8 in US. Okay. What I'm gonna do is after narrowing down, because $150 is not a big budget to be spent on whole US and Canada. Because understand you are getting at 8.10 CPC at 8.10. If I divide 150 into 8.1, I'm actually receiving 18 to 19 clicks, 18 to 19 clicks daily, which is actually lot less. So what I'm going to do is I'm also suggesting you a strategy. First of all, when I have narrowed down to 10 cities, what I'm going to do is next is, I am going to suggest you that in case if you are going to spend 150 to 30 days is equal to $4,500 budget. Okay, what I'm going to do suggest you is that do not spend on weekends. Okay, not on, because it's a SaaS product, I'd not recommend spending on weekends. So not on Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so you can see that if I do 4 times, if there is an averagely 4 times we get a week in a month and 2 days each, so I'm going to reduce those from it. So I been left with 22 days working days. Okay, and if I now divide my $4,500 budget into 22 days, okay, it's going to be $204. So I'm going to spend $205 a day from Monday to Friday. Okay, second thing which I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do ad scheduling. Okay, SaaS product morning times works very well, office hours, because being used mostly in office hours. So my recommendation is to I will be using it in the office hours. So that is going to be my second recommendation with it. After doing ad scheduling running for morning office hours, my next is you know I'm going to work on my ads extensions. Also, you have mentioned that your ad strength is very good. You have shown over here, uh, like your ad strength is also excellent, but I think that apart from ad strength, we need to make it more catchy. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to suggest you this is a very tool, ad preview tool, and it can show my ads over here. You can see that this is an ordinary ad over here, but if I add ad extensions like call styling extensions, pricing extension, location extension, and call extension, and advertiser rating, it can make my ad more appealing and catchy. So I'm going to work on ad optimization. So with ad optimization, it's going to work well. So my recommendation is that I'm going to work on ad optimization to optimize this ad, and this can perfectly work fine. So my recommendation is that I will add the ad optimization, and this can help the customer actually see what kind of features you have, build a trust authenticity in your ad. This way your ad will be more appeared and noticeable if you compare them with your competitors. Apart from this, I will also be doing landing page optimization. A good landing page plays a huge role, so I'm going to see what my competitors are doing and analyze their pages. In case if you're missing anything, I'm going to add it. I will also suggest you to add the email newsletter, so we can have them added on the email newsletter, and eventually slowly telling them about our SaaS product, telling about SaaS products, features, benefits. So this way, what we're gonna do is highlight and eventually make up their mind on buying the product from us. After doing this storytelling about SaaS products and everything, what I'm gonna do, my next strategy, after all this procedure, is I'm going to organize my ad groups. Okay, because you have seen discuss about ad groups and keywords. Okay, with each ad group containing 3 to 5 keywords and minimum of 2 ads to see which one is working well, and my keyword match type is going to be phrase or negative. Okay, after doing all this, I will gonna wait and see how does it work, and then eventually we can discuss more. Okay, I could have even worked more in case if I have practically seen your account or have your competitors, that could tell me a detail on. But guys, in case if you're looking for a professional help in Google Ads audit, setup or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we are going to help you to get an awesome Google Ads campaign. So in case if you want to hire us through the link in the description. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. And in case if you still have any questions left, you are the more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.